Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to cover how to send any contact to somebody in QR code format. If you know this video is not for you, if you do not know, please continue, and if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just quickly going to the testing. Suppose I want to send this advanced talk time in QR code format. Just tap on the I button, tap on the more QR code. Just this is the QR code of that. If you want to see for another, suppose Airtel Money, I more QR code, just send it from WhatsApp or suppose I have sent. So now this QR code has been sent. Then that person can scan it by any scanner, QR code scanner, or here QR and barcode road is there. Just tap on the gallery button here, okay, and after that just see, now it has come, Airtel Store 129. So this is how anybody can send QR code number and read QR code number by QR code scanner. So I hope I have cleared all the things. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.